Wants to Be a Millionaire host Jeremy Clarkson kicked off the brand new series with a not-so-subtle dig at a former show. Cheater.The ex-Top Gear presenter has taken over from original host Chris Tarrant for a week of special episodes to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the quiz show. And while Jeremy had big shoes to fill, he couldn't resist making a reference to the cheating scandal that rocked the ITV show several years ago. As Jeremy introduced the Fastest Finger First segment, he warned the audience, "No distraction from the audience please. No coughing." The joke was of course in reference to the episode of September 2001 in which Army Major Charles Ingram won the top prize of £1 million. However, it later transpired that Charles, his wife Diana and friend Tequin Whitaker had been cheating, with Charles getting the right answer after his accomplices coughed when the right answer was read out. All three were convicted and fined, although they have always claimed they were innocent. Jeremy's reference to the past was met with laughter from the audience, with viewers at home also finding the jibe funny. Taking to Twitter, fans were quick to make their own comments about the coughing scandal. "I had heard there was going to be a new lifeline on #We Want to Be Millionaire. I was hoping for, ask the audience, phone a friend. 50-50 or wait for the cough," commented one person. While another remarked, #We Want to Be Millionaire yes. Childhood memories. Cough. A third fan joked, "Wonder if they all got given cough sweets before they went into #We Want to Be Millionaire. Everyone, get your cough medicine at the ready. #We Want to Be Millionaire is back." Laughed a fourth. With another account tweeting, "Quick, get someone to cough him the answers. #We Want to Be Millionaire."